Hey everyone, quick hands-on review of the TOPTRO TP3 smart projector. And yeah, I've actually spent some time with this one. So first impression, this thing is super compact and honestly feels more like a premium smart device than a typical budget projector. The big win here is Google TV built right in. That means no Fire Stick, no Chromecast, Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus all run straight from the system, which is really convenient. Now setup is almost ridiculous in a good way. You move it, and it autofocuses, corrects keystone, and aligns the image in just a few seconds. For small bedrooms, the ultra-short throw is a game changer. You can get a 100-inch image from pretty close to the wall. Downsides? It's only 500 ANSI lumens, so yeah, you need a dark room. And it's 1080p natively, not true 4K. Verdict: if you want a bedroom movie setup or casual gaming projector, it's worth it. If you need bright living room TV replacement, skip it.